taking a quick break before we put the last post in. We got all the roots cut out. We're gonna dig the hole, drop the post, concrete, then we'll start tearing the top off. I'm a little skeptical about the joist. They have no joist hangers, so we may just put the joist hangers in first before we start tearing the top off, just to make sure it's stable. Got the top torn off, support beams are in. However, we did find there was some rot going on there in the door case trim molding and under the door, so we're going to replace that with some new flashing. Just an update.